And I never eat yet, so my brain getting weak. And you know, this is a part where a grandma boasts, a mother and a grandma boasts.
Oh God.
Okay. Tracy is our eldest, and Kaonohi is her second. Her eldest, PKL, is not here tonight. She would be here tonight, but they're practicing for state tournament for varsity at Kamehameha. They won the ILH, the women's varsity. And so she's not here, otherwise she would be dancing. I'm missing something. Different dance.
Be right there. We're gonna have huddle.
Anyway, and it was very touching. This, because Kaonohi, she's really shy, but you know, one thing you learn when you dance hula is you leave bashfulness at home. Yeah, I left mine at home, but still, no, come on, right? Anyway, we're going to call the halal back up, and we're going to feature Ho'o with a lovely song. Can you want to tell them about the song?
Okay, sure.
Okay, thank you so much.
So this song we titled Ho'ohena Opi, and it speaks about the rose and the flower from the island of Maui. Yes, Paia, 1979. Go Tigers. It's good. It's actually one of the first songs I learned from this lady by the name of Keala Kukona, and she used to bust me up lots of times because I always screw up the words. And I don't screw them up anymore. And poor thing, she passed away and said, you see? Can I prove it? No, the last memory I have singing this song was good lesson, you know, she had. Why look good as like. No enough oxygen up there at the top of the mountain. So we're gonna call out
Kapala Mahai.
Oh yeah, almost the same. Yeah. So we're gonna bring out our Kakemahine. And we take you to my home island of Maui. Any other Maui people in here? Oh, all of you. Beautiful.